Like many people, I love shopping online. Too much, actually. Late night browsing, one-click purchases, those limited time offers. Before I knew it, my credit card statements were scary, and my room was full of things I didn't really need. I knew I had a problem, but I couldn't stop the impulse. That's when I found BuyEBUY, an app that helps you pause, reflect, and make mindful purchase decisions. Let me show you how to transform my shopping habits. First, I create an account. BuyEBUY asks me to select my interest. This helps customize my experience in the app. Now let me show you how to add items. I am browsing Amazon as usual and find this Apple Watch that has a limited time deal. Now, instead of buying immediately, I copy the Amazon link and paste it into BuyEBUY. BuyEBUY automatically extracts the details, item name, price, and even the product image. Now comes the critical part, the reflection questions. These questions make me pause and think. Just answering these questions honestly make me realize that maybe this isn't the best purchase right now. BuyEBUY also has a Chrome extension that makes this even easier and simpler for the reflection cycle. When I am browsing on Amazon, I can just click on the item that I want to purchase and click on the BuyEBUY extension on the bottom right. It detects the products I'm viewing and I can add it directly without switching tabs. Let me add this camera right now. So now it is added and it is in my pause cart waiting for community feedback. Now here comes one of the most interesting features for BuyEBUY, Swipe Sense. Each day, I get a queue of 10 items from other users' pause cart to review. This is how the community feature helps each other in the community. I need to help others before I can see what they think about my purchases. Let me just swipe through my today's queue. By judging other people's shopping cart and purchase decisions, I realized that I am gradually training my own ability to tell whether a purchase is impulse or not. I'm actually gaining a good habit from using BuyEBUY. Now let me check what the community thinks about my items. Since I didn't receive any feedback from other users yet, I can check what the BuyEBUY AI thinks about my purchase. I can see that the AI approved this camera but thinks the Apple Watch is likely impulsive. And after I do receive feedback from other users in BuyEBUY community, I can use the statistics to help me decide whether I should buy something or not. For example, looking at this item here, it has 7 votes but only a 30% approval rate, which means that it is likely an impulse purchase. The cost tracking feature in BuyEBUY is also smooth and quick. If I ended up purchasing something, like this camera here, I simply click Mark as Purchase, enter the price, quantity, and date of purchase. This item is then set as purchase in my shopping cart. And finally, it's My Stats page, where I can see my overall progress. I can find my core spending snapshots at the very beginning, which gives me a quick at-a-glance overview of my purchase behavior. And one of the most helpful part of the stats page is the behavioral insight panel. The AI reviews my activity and gives me trend alert and improvement suggestion. I can also view purchase progress chart, which visualizes my spending over time. And there is a recent purchase, a quick recap of the items I actually bought. And finally, I can also export my stats and share them with friends.